Show the parts to be installed. The instrument includes 2 spare fuses that can be used to replace the fuse inside the instrument in case of breakage. Use a screwdriver to gently pry open the fuse holder, and then replace the broken fuse with one of the spare fuses. Install the accessory holder. Install the face handle. Install the body handle. Put all the installed handles into the corresponding holder in turn. Replace the roller in the face handle. Replace the roller in the body handle. After all parts are installed, turn on the instrument. Parameter settings: dual control, forward, reverse. Recommended face treatment duration: 10 minutes. Recommended energy level: 3. Recommended body treatment time: 20 minutes. Recommended energy level: 3. Single control, forward, reverse: 10 minutes. Recommended energy level: 3. Recommended face treatment duration: recommended body treatment time: 20 minutes. Recommended energy level: 3. Turn off the instrument and unplug the power cable.